Good day everyone. My name is Evan Candido and Garcia from BSCE 1C. In this video we're talking about the collision in two dimension, momentum and collisions, physics. So, ang question natin, vehicle A with a mass of 1,500 kg travel is with a speed of 25 meters per second collides at intersection with vehicle B with a mass of 2,500 kg traveling north with a speed of 20 meters per second. Find the magnitude and direction of the velocity of the wreckage immediately after the collision. Assuming that the vehicle undergo a perfectly elastic collision and assuming that the friction between the vehicles and the road can be neglected. So, ang hinahanap natin ay final velocity at yung angle. So, meron tayong vehicle A na may bilis na 25 meters per seconds at papunta siya sa right. At yung vehicle B naman, papunta sa north, so pataas, 20 meters per seconds. So ginamitan natin siya ng conservation of momentum. So, initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Ay hinanap ko yung V final or final momenta. Momentum P sub I is equal to mass of A times V sub A, o ilalagay natin initial, equals yan sa 1,000 kg times 25 meter per seconds. Ayan. So, pag nakuha na natin yung P sub I, X, P sub I, initial, sa X natin ay equal yan sa 37,500 kg times meter per second squared. B final, Pf sub X is equal to mass A plus mass B V sub Fx times B sub Fx. So, yun. Equal yan sa mass A plus mass B. V sub final, yung ating cosine data. Kakos natin yung data na, yung ating angle. Yung mass A is equal yan sa 1,500 kg plus 2,500 kg over not ay cos data, cos yung ating final velocity. So, by calculating, Pfx is equal yan sa 400 kg times V sub F cosine data. So, sa y naman tayo, is equal yan sa P sub I, y, sa I, equals sa ating equal yan sa ating mass B times V sub B initial. So, yung value ng mass B natin ay 2,500 kg times 20 meters per seconds. So, P sub I sa ating Y ay may 50,000 kilogram minus meters per second. Ang ating P final sa ating Y ay by calculating mass A plus mass B times V sub F Y equals yan sa mass A plus mass B. So, pakuha na natin ang tangent data. Yung final velocity. So, 50,000 kilogram times meter per seconds over 37,500 kilogram times meter per second. So, cancel na yung unit natin, pati yung dalawang zero doon. Data is equal to tan inverse tangent so 500 yun over 375 kilogram ay 375 na lang, walang unit. So data is equal to, by calculating, 53.13 degrees. So 50,000 kilogram times meter per second squared. Meter per seconds lang. Equals yan sa 4,000 kilogram times V sub F final sin data. Over sa 4,000 kilogram sin data. Makakancel na yung ating sin data. Ang matitira ay V sub final. Cancel din yung unit na kilogram. Sin data. So V sub final is equal to 50,000 kilogram that by meters per second times meters per seconds over 4,000 kilogram. Sin data. Yung ating data ay yung 53.13 degrees. V sub F natin is equal to, by calculating, 15.663 meter per second. Yan ang ating final answer.